Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA. Today we're going to be discussing and demonstrating how to create a folder track and configure it. So Studio One gives users the ability to create a folder track, which is a track type that let us visually organize a song or a list of tracks in a better way. This is especially useful when you're trying to organize tracks that are part of the same instrument. Let's say the tracks that are part of a drum kit, or the tracks that are part of a string quartet, or the tracks that are part of let's say, a group of vocals. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we have 4 audio tracks here labeled as kick, snare, overhead left, and overhead right. So this is basically a drum kit that we have been recording, and let's say we want to pack these tracks into a folder track. The reason we do that is because when we pack the tracks in a folder, we visually, you could say that you're, cleaning the song in a visual way, because they're all going to be packed into a single track, so the screen is going to be looking cleaner. Maybe when you only have 4 tracks, you might not need to do it, but when you have a whole song where you have drums, electric guitars, acoustic guitars, strings, keyboards, synthesizers, vocals, you're going to be using folders a lot in order to clean the screen. Okay, so how do we do that? If we click on the first track, kick, we hold the shift button, and then we click on the last track, all 4 tracks are now highlighted. We can now go to track and then click on pack folder. As soon as we click on pack folder, you can see that a new track called track 7 with a little folder icon has been created. And you can see these 4, horizontal areas here that look like very small tracks that have been minimized. This is because the 4 tracks that we had were packed into a single track folder called track 7. We're going to change that name by double clicking on it, and we're going to type drums. I'm going to press enter, and now we have our drums track here, or our drums folder track here. How do we go back to our all other tracks? So how do we see them? Well, if you see that folder there, that little folder icon, you can see the folder is closed. If you click on it, the folder opens, and there you can see your kick, snare, overhead left, and overhead right audio tracks. If you click on it again, you close it. You can also resize this folder track, and you can see a little representation of the waveforms of the individual tracks, or you can simply just click on the folder, open it, and you're going to see it there. So as you can see, the folder track helps us in visually cleaning the session, the screen basically. Okay, as I said, this is very useful when you have tracks that are related to a drum kit, several tracks for strings, several tracks for synthesizers, keyboards. Another cool feature of this, I'm going to open the folder track really quick here. If I mute the folder track, all the tracks within the folder also get muted. Same thing if I solo it, all the tracks from the folder get soloed. If I record enable, all of the tracks from the folder will be record enabled. So that's how folder tracks work. That's how you create and configure folder tracks in Studio One. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You guys have a really nice day, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.